Did you ever wake up in the morning and grumble as you tumble out of bed? You stub your toe, ouch. You hit your elbow, ooh. You bump your head, oh. You step on a tack and you let out a howl. There's soap in your eyes and you can't find a towel. You try to comb your hair but can't arrange it. Spill orange juice on your dress and have to change it. Then all day long, everything you touch goes wrong. Teacher told us when this happens to never whine or wail. The same thing happens in life, but on a very much larger scale. It never rains, but what it pours. If Lady Luck should happen to desert you, a bit of rain is never gonna hurt you. So wait and the skies will be blue. It never rains, but what it pours. So what if all your troubles come in bunches? Keep sticking to your silly little hunches, and the sun will come shining through. Bide your time and keep on humming. Don't you frown and sit around and weep. Wait your turn, your day is coming, and you'll be there on top of the heap. It never rains, but it pours. You may as well get all your worries over. From then on, you're gonna be in clover. Smile when you should cry. For every cloud, there'll be a rainbow. There'll be a sunbeam.